On Facebook profile views, to set hometown. And when setting up this hometown, if you want to create a new list and add some friends to that list, and if you want only those friends to see your hometown, you can set it like that. In this video, we'll be telling about how to do that. For this, open Facebook application. After that, down here, you can see your profile photo. Click on this profile photo. When you're clicking on that, here you can see personal details. Click on personal details. When you're clicking on that, here you can see so many options. The second option is the option for hometown. Click on this. When you're clicking on that, you'll reach a page like this. But if you have not set this hometown, you'll reach a page like this. Here you can see hometown option. Click on hometown, and here search for the hometown. For example, I'm searching and I'm selecting this hometown. And after that, here you can see who can see this. Click on this. When you're clicking on that, you can see so many options. If you're not able to see, here you can see All option. Click on See All, and you can see this every options. And here, last, you can see Unnamed List. You need to select that. After that, here you can see Edit button. Click on this Edit. And from here, you can select any friends. For example, I'm selecting one friend only. You can select any friends you want. Anyways, after that, click on this Save button. And when you're clicking on that, that list will be saved. After that, click on this Done button. And here you can see Save option. Click on Save. When you're clicking on that, that settings will be saved. After this, they're asking whether you want to post it in your feed or not. That means it will appear in your Facebook profile. If you want to post, click on this Share button. If you don't want, click on this Back button. Anyways, that settings will be saved. So this way, when you're setting up your hometown on Facebook profile, you can create a list and add some friends, and you can set it up in a way that only those friends can see your hometown. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing. See you in the next video.